What to do if the TPMS light is on. Autodoc tips. What is a TPMS and what is it for? This system allows you to monitor tire pressure while driving and warns you if it's outside the normal range. There are two types of systems, indirect and direct. An indirect TPMS measures the wheel rotation speed and distance traveled per wheel rotation. A deflated wheel has a smaller diameter and makes more rotations. The indirect system uses ABS sensor readings. A direct TPMS works using wireless wheel pressure sensors. These transmit a coded signal to a receiver, which sends the data to the onboard computer. A TPMS can be installed either by the manufacturer at the factory or separately after purchase. If you want to have it fitted, you'll need to buy a signal receiving unit, antenna, display, and sensors for each wheel. Usually, all of these components come as a set. The TPMS helps to avoid accidents caused by differences in tire pressures and prevents rapid tire wear and increased fuel consumption. Why does the TPMS light come on? Air loss due to tire damage. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Incorrect tire pressure caused by temperature fluctuations. Increased load on one of the axles, fully loaded boot, towing a trailer, driving uphill or downhill. Spare wheel not equipped with TPMS sensor installed. Damaged sensor during tire fitting. Sensor battery failure. ABS sensor failure. Is it okay to continue driving if the TPMS light comes on? In this case, you must not continue driving, as this could cause damage to the tires and wheels. The vehicle's handling could also be impaired, increasing the likelihood of an accident. You should stop immediately, inspect the tires, and check the tire pressure. Please note, if the vehicle is equipped with an indirect system, it will trigger the alarm signal. The direct type system will indicate the pressure in each wheel. In case of tire damage, take your car to a tire service or use emergency sealant. How to clear the TPMS error from the dashboard. 1. With the ignition switched on, press the TPMS reset button if your car has one, or reset it via the onboard computer menu. 2. Remove the error using diagnostic equipment, such as an OBD2 scanner. 3. Normalize the pressure in all wheels to the value recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. Autodoc tips. Even if you have a TPMS, you still need to manually check tire pressure and condition of the tires periodically. Monitoring should be carried out at least once a month. Pressure measurements should be carried out with an empty car. If the TPMS warning doesn't show which wheel the issue is with, don't forget to check the spare wheel too. It may be the cause. Almost all sensors don't need their batteries replaced, but they don't last more than 5 years. Make sure to plan ahead for replacement.